Hi everyone, Kim here for Treasurely Kit Club. What I've got for you today is our June kit reveals, and June is a special month for us. It's our 3rd year anniversary. So we've got some special kits. All these kits are going to be of a type of theme. We really don't do themes with our kits, but this one is kind of a theme, and we're kind of honoring the fathers for the month of June. So these kits are a little masculine, they're a little grungy, they're a little steampunky. So why don't you just sit back and enjoy our review, because if you're seeing these, then that means the kits have revealed already, and you may want to check out what's left at our website at www.treasurelykit.com. In the meantime, we're just going to jump into this reveal. Okay, so first up we have our scrapbook kit. Treasurely offers 3 kits. They're all standalone kits. You can subscribe to one kit. You can subscribe to a combination of any kits. Like I said, we have our scrapbook kit, and we try and specialize in hard to get papers, international papers. And this month is no different. Like I said, it's our anniversary month, so we're doing a lot of different things, but let's get into this kit. We've got flowers. Even though my husband hates flowers on masculine layouts, for him, we've got flowers. We always have flowers. That's just the thing with Treasurely kits. So we've got flowers from Prima, and these were selected to go along with our papers. We've got some nice browns and some gold tones, and I love these flowers because if you can see, they're edged with gold. Just really pretty flowers, and you get the whole pack, 9 pieces. We've also got some Royal Posies in Midnight from 49 and Market. You get 49 pieces here in assorted shapes and sizes, which are really nice. I love these little ones. I call them filler flowers. And then you get some other flowers with leaves. And then you get a little bigger set here. And again, the whole package. And we've got a package of butterflies from Prima Flowers. These are really nice. You get 6 pieces in here. And then our last pack of flowers are from 49 and Market. It's another royal spray, and they're 2 tones in here. They're called Ocean Jade. So you've got some lighter blue ones and then some more like jade color ones. You've got some sprays in there and some leaves. So those are the flowers and some of the embellishments to start with. We've also got some chipboard, and this is specifically cut for Treasurely's. We do have our own line of chipboard, so make sure you check that out too when you go to the website. Again, that's www.treasurelykits.com. You'll click on shop, and then you'll click on chipboard, and you'll see the categories, and then you'll click on each category to see what's available. But these were cut specifically for the kit, and they should be in the loaded on the website now for sale. But you've got 4 pieces here. These are some steampunk arrows, and they're cut specifically in black. Typically our chipboard is cut in natural, so these are black, which means they're colored, which you should find these under our limited edition section. That's where our colored chipboard is, because once we run out of this particular material, we will no longer have these. So if you want to get these, you got to grab them now, because they may not be available later. Then we've got some regular chipboard here. We've got a 2-piece 6x6 steampunk border here. It's kind of like a little frame here. You can use this together, or you can use the pieces individually. But this is also loaded in the store. This should be under the steampunk category if I'm not mistaken, but it is there. And we've also got some metals. We've got some Mitform metals. These are really hard to get. We ordered these. So we've got, the first piece is the Mitform Airbus. And we're trying to decide if we're going to carry these in the store or not. But for right now, they're just in the kit. And then we've also got some washers. So you're going to get 7 of the Mitform washers as well. So we've got those. This is our first time having these in the kit, and we're really excited about having these. And you've also got lots of ephemera for fussy cutting. You're going to get this sheet, which has got butterflies and dragonflies and clocks and keys and everything on here. Again, like I told you, this is a steampunky masculine type of kit. You've also got another sheet again with the washers and all the images to layer. And you've got more steampunk images here. You've got the top hats and the glasses and the lanterns and the light bulbs. And then these sheets are single-sided, but you've got another sheet that matches our paper of calling cards, of decorative cards, and this sheet is double-sided. So you can use this side if you want to cut up the cards to layer under your photos. I love layering these. Or you can just use this as an extra sheet. Now for the paper, if you haven't figured it out yet, we've got the Age of Technology. This is by Craft O'Clock, and this is an international company. And I absolutely love this paper. Like I said, it's very masculine, very steampunky. And on the top sheet, on the back, you get the bonus sheet of ephemera. You've got some tags and some more items that you can go ahead and layer. And now here's our paper. And again, just very masculine with the designs. And the B side, love the texture on the B side. The front side will have some graphics, but then you've got your texture on the back side. So you can use this any way you want. Very architectural. Again, with the gears and the cars. And then the back side, just very grungy, very textured. But this paper is so fun and great for some Father's Day layouts. Great for some maybe graduation. Just whatever you could think of. Some altered projects. I've got a big project in mind that I can't wait to start working on. Just really, really gorgeous, gorgeous paper. Here's your back sides. And how fun is this sheet? And there's your back side. So total in all, you get 6 sheets of paper. You get this bonus ephemera sheet off the cover. And then this is almost like a bonus sheet as well, because like I said, you've got the calling cards and you've got that back side as well. You've got all this wonderful ephemera for fussy cutting, for those of us that love fussy cutting. And you've got your butterflies, you've got your flowers, you've got your chipboard, and you've got the metal. This kit is $52, and that does include U.S. shipping. For international shipping, we actually have to charge actual shipping. And you can always email us for a quote for international shipping. So next up, we're going to move into our cards, tags, and more kit. So our next kit is our cards, tags, and more kit. Now this kit is where you get the most variety from month to month. One month you may have stuff to make cards. The next month you may have stuff to make tags. You may have stuff to make a mini album. That's why we like to call it our cards, tags, and more. But for this month, again, like I said, June is a special month for us. It's our anniversary month. And so we decided to do a little ATC tag and pocket album. So the first thing you're going to get is this little tag and pocket album from Graphic 45. And you're going to open it up. And inside, you're going to have all these pockets, and you're going to have these tags. So it's going to a fun little album to go ahead and create here. And the reason we chose this is because we're going to have a contest going as well, too, an ATC contest. So if you grab this kit, you can use this to enter the contest, or you can just enter the contest and win the prize. But to go along with this, you're going to have this package of Prima flowers. Get 9 flowers in here, and these are the perfect size to help decorate your cover or to embellish your tags once you make them. You're also going to get 4 of these resin clocks as well to help you decorate your tags or your album cover. You're also going to get a set of our chipboard washers. These are in the store. These have been in the store, and I believe they're under the steampunk category. And they do come in other sizes too. I believe this is our small size, or they may have been custom just for this, but we have a small size, we have a medium size, and we have a large size. But this is the set of chipboard washers, and you get all 7 pieces in the set. So again, you can find this on the website at www.treasurelikits.com. You're also going to get a package of the steampunk metal butterflies. And there's 4 in here. And I love how they've got the little rhinestones on them. And you've got some brass, you've got some silver, you've got some gold. You get 4 pieces here. And for our papers, we've got some Stemperia. And this line is the Serve Vagabond line. All right, I have this open. Let's just go ahead and open this. And you get 10 double-sided sheets in here. It comes in the pad that I've already taken apart, and I like that it comes in the pad. This paper is 8 by 8. So your top sheet, again, you get the little bonus sheet, and you've got tags and things on here. These are perfect for your ATC cards. And here's your paper. Just great paper for tags, for albums. Lots of fun to work with. How about making this ATC album a steampunky travel type of album? If you've got pictures from international pictures from overseas, this would be wonderful. I might have to dig into some of our Paris and London pictures and see if I've got something to go with this. And then you've got some more tags here. I love this guy. How about just cutting him out and putting him on a tag? And you've got this that says travel journal. You could use on the cover of this for your tags. Just gorgeous paper. Love this paper so much. And I love the compasses on here. This vintage map. How nice is that for a background? Just beautiful. And then I absolutely love these. Fussy cutting these out and putting them on some pop dots onto your ATC tags. And there's the back side of that. And here's our last sheet. So that is the paper in this kit. This kit is $42. That does include shipping for US only. Again, for international, we'd have to charge actual shipping. And again, you can email us. All this information can be found on the website at www.treasurelikits.com. Next up, we are going to have our mixed media kit. Media kit, let's start off with the mediums. Our mixed media kit is a little bit different. Not only do we give you mediums, we also give you a project so you can go ahead and use your kit straight out of the box. So say all you get is the mixed media kit, it will be ready to go as soon as you open it. And again, if you subscribe, you get our kits before they're revealed. All our subscribers, their kits ship out before the 1st of the month, so there is no waiting. If you subscribe and pay before the 1st of the month, you will get your kit before the 1st of the month. There is no, oh, the reveal is on the 2nd, the 3rd, the 5th, and you'll have to wait to reveal. We send out a newsletter to subscribers only showing all the kits in case you want to purchase an extra kit or a different kit, and there is a code that you can use so it will all ship together so you don't get charged extra shipping fees as well. So now back into this mixed media kit. First up, you're going to get a full set of 5 bottles of the Lindy squirts. And the Lindy squirts are a little bit different. They're more like, they like to call them paints. And you're going to get 5 bottles. You're going to get, let's see, what do we have here? And these are kind of, I thought, steampunky colors. You're going to get a maple syrup bronze. You're going to get Canadian bacon blush. You're also going to get Emerald A. Polite People Purple. And the last one is Hockey Puck Black. And if you've never used Lindy's before, there's a little line on here that says fill. You want to fill these with warm water before you use them. I actually like to use hot water up to the line, and you're going to shake these really well, and you're going to let them sit for about 10 minutes. So you want to fill these before you go to use them while you're setting up your project. The first thing you want to do is fill your bottles. All right, next you're going to get a thing of heavy black gesso. This is, how many ounces? Doesn't say. I think this is like the 2-ounce one. Yeah, 2 ounces of heavy black gesso from Prima. If you're doing steampunk, you got to have some black gesso. You're also going to get a 5-ounce container of the new metallic flakes from Prima, and these are the steampunk flakes. So you've got some gold, you've got some silver, you've got some brassy color in here, but you're going to get this whole container of flakes. You're also going to get some more metals. These are more of the mid-form metals, and you're going to get 4 of these kind of clock pieces that you can put together to form a circle. You're also going to get this steam label, and you're going to get what looks like a large and a small clock hand. You're also going to get, and this is from Treasure Lee that we've cut ourselves, you're going to get this wooden washer. This is just under 12 inches, but you're going to get a wooden washer that you can alter. And the last thing is you're going to get this package of Transfer Me from Dress My Craft, and these are called Gentleman Accessories. And these are transfers. You can cut them out individually. You can transfer these onto the wood before you alter it, after you alter it, however you choose. But I really like the design on these. And make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below and you hit the bell so that you're notified of videos, because there will be a video using all these items, or at least telling you how to use all these items that are in this kit. We like to give you some instruction on how to use any of these if you're new to these. So we'll give you a brief tutorial on the metallic flakes on how to use them, tutorial again on the squirts, how to fill them and activate them, because right now all you've got is just some powder in here. Ooh, and it sounds like a little mixing ball. Since the last time I've got them, they've added like a little mixing ball in there, which is really nice. And again, you've got the metals, which take all types of mediums really well. This kit is $47, and yes, that does include shipping. And like I said before, international, please email us for a shipping quote if you'd like to purchase this kit. So these have been the 3 kits for Treasure Lee Kits. Visit our website at www.treasureleekits.com. You can click on shop and you can check out all of our kits, our current kits, our past kits. You can also check out the chipboard that we offer. And then don't forget to hit the blog where you will see our designers. They will take you through some picture tutorials of projects. There will be videos. So again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And again, this is Kim for Treasure Lee Kits. And if you've liked what you've seen here, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And we'll be seeing you in another video lately. Thanks. Bye.